when we talk about people in education and trying to reach out and bring awareness to people, I think they have a very important role to play here. The people in these positions have access to speak to a lot of people, young people, and it's a very important role to be played. There are thousands of campaigners across the country that have been working tirelessly to bring awareness, to talk about the occupied territories bill to people and to educate about what it means, what kind of accountability it serves to the Palestinian people. But being on the street and talking to people, there are still a lot of people that don't have any idea what the Occupied Territories Bill is. We've been talking about it for years, especially when we are in universities. And now young people are very passionate about Palestine, about bringing justice to the Palestinian people, but they're still not aware of how they can do it. So I think education just plays a very important role to educate people on what they can do and their political rights. People campaign in so many different ways and people continue to raise their voices for Palestine. And again, it's all useful, it's all great. And each of us from our own little corners in the world, we should raise our voices for justice everywhere and justice for Palestinians. So if you could do something, whatever it is, if you can fundraise, if you can educate, if you can talk to people in your circles, in your community about it, if you can write to your representatives, if you can do any sort of protest, of community organizing, again, fundraising as well, it's very important. All of them are valid and all of them contribute to justice for Palestinians. So I would just say to people that thank you so much for your solidarity, the amount of solidarity that we witness in Ireland for the Palestinian people from our shared history, from our shared struggles is just, it's amazing. It's beyond words, and we keep doing it until hopefully one day we see justice actually achieved for Palestinians.